This third chapter, cams and followers. What is cams and followers? Actually, cam and follower converts rotary motion into reciprocating. So, in which cam is the rotating element which gives reciprocating or oscillating motion to another element known as follower. If I draw the disc cam, so this is the cam, this is the axle, and this is the follower. So when this rotates, so this follower will reciprocate. This is called as follower and this is called cam. So sometimes reciprocating, sometimes oscillating, that we will see in types of cam and follower. So cam and follower, cam is the rotating element and follower is the reciprocating or oscillating element. The contact between them is maintained by an external force which is generally provided by spring or sometimes by weight of the follower itself. The cam converts rotary motion of one element into reciprocating or linear motion or into oscillatory motion. Cam is the driver member and follower is the driven member. Now application of the cam and follower. So application, cam and followers are widely used for operating in inlet and exhaust valve of IC engine. It is also used in wall clock. These are used in feed mechanism of automatic lathe machine. These are also used in paper cutting machine, used in weaving textile machineries, power loom textile machinery. Cam and followers are used. Then classification of follower. So cam and follower can be classified according to the surface of contact: knife edge follower, roller follower, flat face or mushroom follower, spherical follower, according to surface contact. Then second, according to motion of the follower: reciprocating or translating follower. Second, oscillating or rotary follower. According to the path of motion of follower: radial follower, offset follower. Then knife edge follower according to surface of contact. And just I have drawn this figure. Actually this is a knife edge follower and this is cam. So knife edge follower. So this is simple in construction. Contacting end of the follower with cam with a sharp knife. That's why it is called as knife edge follower. The motion between cam and follower is sliding. It is not used in practice because small area of contact surface result in high rate of wear at edges, and after wear out the edges, the transmission of motions may not be accurate as desired. Now roller follower. Roller follower, in which instead of knife edge, roller is provided. That's why it is called as roller follower. Figure is like this. So this cam and this roller. So roller follower. So knife edge of follower will cause wear and tear of the cam, and a higher load on the small contact area of the follower causes to wear at the tip tip of knife edge due to more stress. More friction due to sliding motion of knife edge follower required more maintenance. Life of cam follower arrangement is more. No possibility of noise, whereas roller follower produce small operations with less wear and tear of the cam and follower. The contact end of the follower is a roller and pure rotational motion causes less power loss. Considerably, the side thrust exists between knife edge follower and the guide ways. These are used in aircraft engine, stationary gas or oil engine, and where more space is available. So you can see the difference since the in knife edge follower more stresses are on the follower or more load on the follower, and due to which wear and tear of the cam, due to knife edge wear and tear of the cam occurs. That's why a roller follower is used, in which there will be no wear and tear, and surface contact here is very less and here surface contact is more. So roller follower is used wherever the more space available. Advantages of roller followers are less wear and tear, life of follower is more, easy to operate, less lubrication required, less power loss. And application where it is used: bookbinding machine, conveyors, tool changer of machining center, automatic coating machines. So these are the application of roller follower. Then flat or mushroom follower, flat and mushroom follower. There are used where space is limited to operate. These are used where space is limited to operate wall of automobile engine. The contact surface is perfectly flat. The side thrust between guide and the follower is much reduced. This is called as mushroom follower when the flat surface is circular. In this figure you can see all four types of follower with respect to contact surface. This knife edge follower, this cam, when this cam rotates, this knife edge move up and down. This roller follower, instead of knife there is a roller is provided, and when this cam rotates, this roller follower move up and down. This flat face, instead of roller there is a surface flat, and this cam rotates, this follower moves up and down. Since the surface is flat, that's why it is called as flat face or mushroom follower. Another type of follower is spherical follower. This is spherical. Instead of flat there is a slightly circular surface contact, and when this cam rotates, this follower move up and down. So the follower shape is a spherical one, that's why it is called as spherical follower. Then according to motion of follower, that we will see in next lecture.